Every year more than 130 million tons of shrimp are consumed worldwide. To meet that enormous demand, fishing vessels drag nets over the seabed. But how are tons of shrimp captured and processed? We visited a factory to discover the fascinating industrial peeling process of shrimp. Shrimp are one of the most delicious seafoods. Their mild flavor and juicy texture make them an essential ingredient in countless recipes. Every year, thousands of tons of shrimp are taken from the sea to satisfy growing global demand. To achieve this, fishermen and fleets sail to the most productive waters of the ocean, from the Atlantic to the Pacific, where some of the most prized species are found. The whole process begins with locating large schools of shrimp. Modern fishing vessels use advanced technologies such as sonars and radars that allow them to identify shrimp schools in real time. Sonars emit sound pulses underwater which return as echoes when they encounter marine organisms. This method not only allows the location of schools but also estimates their density. Although shrimp are small, they generate acoustic signals that distinguish them from other marine species, ensuring efficient identification. Once a school is located, fishermen prepare to deploy the trawl nets, a key tool in shrimp capture. These nets have a structure similar to a flattened cone. At the bottom of the cone is the ground line equipped with weights to keep the net in contact with the seabed. The top line is equipped with floats to ensure the net remains open while being towed by the vessel. The rear end of the net, known as the cod end, is where the catch accumulates. Shrimp enter through the net's opening, designed to maximize catch volume, and are funneled into this bag as the net slides along the seabed. Before launching the net into the water, fishermen secure the cod end with specialized loop knots designed to withstand the weight of catches that can exceed 450 kilos, but that can also be untied quickly and safely even under pressure. Trawling is an intensive fishing technique that uses the vessel's movement to tow nets across the seabed. These nets are optimized to capture large volumes of shrimp in each operation. Despite their efficiency, they also catch other marine species, which has led to the implementation of bycatch exclusion devices to minimize environmental impact and ensure the sustainability of fishing. The deployment process begins with trawl doors, robust devices that are submerged first from the stern of the vessel. These doors, equipped with adjustable hinges, keep the sides of the net open as it is dragged along the seafloor. Net operators carefully adjust the depth according to the location of shrimp schools using technology such as GPS to ensure the net is positioned directly over the seabed where shrimp usually dwell. Deployment of the nets is carried out slowly to ensure proper setup. Once in the water, the doors and floats work together to keep the net open and functional while being towed by the vessel. During the process, operators constantly monitor the equipment and adjust towing speed, depth, and trajectory according to seabed conditions and shrimp behavior. The vessel moves slowly, dragging the net carefully across the seabed to ensure efficient capture and minimize equipment wear. Vessel speed is kept between 2 and 4 knots, an optimal measure that also avoids excessively disturbing the marine habitat. Trawling can last between 2 and 6 hours depending on factors such as shrimp school density, seabed conditions, and capture objectives. Highly trained operators constantly monitor net condition through advanced sensors. These devices not only measure the amount of catch accumulated in the cod end but also detect possible net damage such as tears or tangles, allowing real-time adjustments. When the net reaches optimal capacity, the vessel gradually reduces speed to facilitate recovery without compromising integrity. The net, which may contain hundreds of kilos of shrimp, is carefully lifted on board using hydraulic winches and specialized cranes. These winches, strategically located at the center of the vessel, slowly pull the steel cables connecting the net to the vessel, avoiding sudden movements that could damage both equipment and catch. Once on deck, the net is opened to release the captured load. The shrimp fall directly into large containers designed to maintain freshness and facilitate the next stage of processing. Here begins a crucial phase: initial sorting and cleaning. Shrimp are separated from bycatch, which may include fish, crabs, or other marine organisms, to minimize environmental impact. Unwanted live species are carefully returned to the sea. The first step after capture is sorting, where shrimp are separated by size using conveyor belts and mechanical graders. This ensures uniformity that will be key in later stages. Damaged or poor quality specimens are removed, ensuring only shrimp in perfect condition move forward. Next, Shrimp are carefully washed with clean seawater to remove sediments, sand, and any organic matter. This initial wash not only improves product appearance but also ensures it is free of contaminants before preservation. Once clean, shrimp are placed in containers with layers of crushed ice to keep temperatures low, essential to preserving freshness. When the vessel returns to port, the cold chain continues uninterrupted. Shrimp are quickly transported to specialized processing plants where new processes begin to maximize quality and value. Upon arrival, shrimp undergo a second wash with cold water, ensuring complete removal of residues and impurities. Shrimp destined for freezing are placed on trays and subjected to individual quick freezing. This method allows each shrimp to freeze separately, making handling easier and ensuring texture and flavor are preserved. Frozen shrimp with shell are packed in bags or hermetically sealed boxes to prevent moisture entry and stored in cold chambers at -18°C until distribution. Shrimp that will be peeled enter an automated line. They are placed on conveyor belts that regulate a constant flow toward peeling machines. Precision is crucial. Shrimp are aligned to ensure they pass correctly through rotating rollers, reducing damage and improving peeling uniformity. These rollers apply moderate pressure that gently separates the shell from the meat, ensuring an efficient, high-quality result. The friction generated by roller movement helps detach the shell without damaging the shrimp meat. As shrimp move forward, discarded shells fall through gaps between rollers into a waste collection system. After peeling, shrimp are washed again with cold water. This wash removes any shell residues, ensuring complete cleanliness and product freshness. Then shrimp pass through a conveyor belt for thorough visual inspection. Once selected, peeled shrimp enter a critical phase: quick freezing. Freezing tunnels expose shrimp to -18°C in minutes. This method ensures shrimp maintain texture, flavor, and nutritional quality while stopping any deterioration. Shrimp are transported by conveyors to a hopper that handles weighing and dosing. This automated system ensures each bag contains the exact amount of shrimp, maximizing packaging efficiency and minimizing waste. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel and activate notifications to keep learning.